Alright, so today we're replacing rear sway bar end links on a 2015 WRX. So we're going to go ahead and take a peek under the car here. And the piece we are dealing with is right here. So this is a very frustrating piece because by the time you replace it, this bolt in particular is all rusted together. Now you're supposed to be able to fit an Allen wrench into the bolt head and then screw the bolt. Normally it's too rusted out and rounded to get that to happen. That's the top bolt. Here's the bottom bolt. Bottom bolt's a little bit easier. There's a 14mm on one side and then a 14mm nut on the other side. That normally is easier to take out and that one just pops out. This one is a pain in the ass to deal with. So you can try using an Allen wrench and then an open-end box wrench on the other side. What I found to work best was to use a vice grip and just put it right over where the little boot on the end link is, and then go ahead and try turning it with that. You can also, if that doesn't work and it's still slipping, you can put the vice grip on and try to use an Allen key to get you a little bit more resistance as you try to turn that with an open-end wrench. So the first step in replacing this is, of course, removing the old one. I would start with the top bolt because the bottom one's not going to be your issue. Get this one taken care of, knock it out of the hole, and then go ahead and take out the second one, and this piece will just pull right out. There's that top bolt removed. Now we're going to take this bottom one off. Here's the nut taken off of the other side of that big bottom bolt. That one just pops right out. And with this attached, you can now remove your old one. Alright, so here's the new sway bar end link going on. I'm going to put the top on loosely and then wiggle the bottom into place. Alright, here's the bottom bolt on loosely, top bolt on loosely. Go ahead and tighten them both down and you're all done.